Hello everyone and welcome to How To With You, the best place for your no BS crypto tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to be looking over how to earn crypto while playing Minecraft. So this is a pretty cool concept. I wish this was around when I was a kid. I would for sure have a lot more money than I have right now. And I spent so many hours on it, and the fact that this is free to play and it's play to earn Minecraft, that is insane, and it just shows you where the future of gaming is going. So I'm just going to give a quick little overview on what this project is. This project is basically NFT worlds, and they have 10,000 NFTs of their own Minecraft worlds where you could build on, and this is just a world that they built on and released for everyone to play on. So for playing on this world, you get 20 world per hour, and at the time of making this video, world is about 10 cents, so it's about $2 per hour, which is not the greatest, but at the all-time high of the world token, that would have been $8 an hour, which is crazy. Imagine getting paid $8 an hour to play Minecraft. That is just insane. So without further ado, let's get into it. So step number one you need to make sure is that you have Minecraft Java Edition. This server is only supported on Java Edition. This will change as the project is bigger. They're gonna have their own Minecraft launcher, so you won't have to worry about this. But once you have that installed and set up, you're gonna want to go ahead and start up your Minecraft. And once you started it up, you want to make sure that you have 1.17.1 installed, because this is the only version of Minecraft that is compatible with the server, at least for now. So you go to installations right here, click on new installation, and then right here you're going to have these three little chats. Go and click on version. There it is, 1.17.1. Go ahead and name it whatever you want, worlds of NFT, yada yada yada, and then you want to go over here and click on and create. So once you create that, you should be pretty good. Go ahead and back and click on play, and then select whatever version you have right here. I'm gonna click on 1.17.1, and boom, that should be good. So now I bet this is gonna load up for a while, so I will see you guys when it loads up. And bam, it finally loaded up. So now all we have to do is go on multiplayer, and then click on direct connection right here. Then you have to type in this address, smp.nftworlds.com. I'll have everything linked in the description. Now all you're going to do is just click on join server. So as you see here, once you set that up, it says play to earn a world, NFT Worlds SMP server. There's about 205 people playing it right now. Let's go ahead and join the server. Hopefully it's loading quick. Beautiful. And look at that, we are in our Minecraft world. I was playing a little bit earlier, so you know I have some diamond gear and whatnot. And then all we have to do from here is click T for the chat, /wallet, and then all you have to do is your ETH address here. So that's all you have to do. And once you set that up, you should be able to earn 20 world per hour. And let's just see how much playtime I have. Playtime. And I have right now played 2 hours on this server. So that pretty much concludes the tutorial. I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to reply to everyone.